Hi there, and welcome back to the Angry Poolman channel, where we learn how to treat our pool and our pool man. So I just received a phone call from my newest customer, and by the way, that pool needs a name, so comment below and give us an idea on what you feel this pool should be named. But the issue is here that the customer thinks one thing and I see another. So what has happened is that they think that they have two multi-speed pumps, and they actually have paid for one multi-speed and one single speed. So let's get back to the equipment set and check it out. Okay, we're back here at the equipment set here at our new pool, and since it doesn't have a name, I just wanted you to refamiliarize yourself with it visually here. Okay, so we have a fabulous Intellcenter control system. I think they probably could have got away from it with buying a cheaper Intellitouch, and you can still purchase those, but yeah, this is nice. And then of course they have their top of the line here. This is the Intelliflow 03 VSF, right? Okay, so this is your main pool circulation pump, and then we have a pump for the water feature, right? And the water feature is over there on that bulkhead over at the one end of the pool. So I was unaware that this, I just took a look at this pool, or this pump rather, and I thought it was a multi-speed as well. I didn't realize this is a whisper flow. This is the new whisper flow, which for those of you who know about the Pentair line, which I don't work for Pentair, but I've been doing this for a little while. So whisper flows have commonly been just single speed pumps. You flip it on, it's 3,450 RPMs, and that's it. It's either on or off. And yeah, they're commonly used for water features. But anyway, it was really my misunderstanding of what this pump was. And I mentioned this to the homeowner, and then he called the builder, and the builder's like, yeah, we've fulfilled everything that we told you we were going to do. And they for sure had. Once again, this is Zier Pools of Southern California here in San Diego. They're a really good company, and I don't want anything I'm saying to make anybody think I'm saying anything disparaging about the company. They're actually, I have a handful of Zier pools, and they're really all well-built pools, and the company, you know, stands behind what they build. So yeah, I'm talking like somebody's gonna come and knock on my door, but yeah, they're a really good company, and I'm not trying to say anything bad about them, but I would have personally put in a multi-speed pump. This thing doesn't need to be running at 3,450 to make this thing go. And then on top of it, when you come here, it's not even plugged into the Intellitouch system. The Intellitouch system doesn't even see the pump. So what does that also mean? That means you do have control via the Screen Logic app. However, I don't know. I would have really liked to seen a pump that is only running at like 1,800 RPMs to make this thing go. Okay, so what has happened and how they regulate this, and this is kind of an industry standard, I get it, but I don't really care for the practice, is that this is a ball valve here, right? And this is how you control the flow on your, what's called a shear descent, or the water feature here on that bulkhead. So yeah, I probably shouldn't have spoke up to my homeowner, but I totally thought that this was a multi-speed pump. I mean, gee whiz, doesn't that look like a multi-speed? I have a bunch of them in my garage that look exactly like that, and they're all multi-speed. Okay, so what we're going to do is regulate our flow with this ball valve, which I don't even think the salesman that he contacted realizes that had been it hadn't been installed. So anyway, it is there. We're all good. The builder has fulfilled everything they said they were going to do, and I guess I've learned that I probably should just keep my mouth shut. But I am the original swimming pool fiduciary working for you guys out here in the field. I'm the Angry Pool Man, you guys. Be excellent to each other, and I'll see you on the next video.